Hello, you have reached Sisters Live. How you doing? How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing again?
We are coming to you tonight. We're going to sing a selection called I Surrender All. We are pretty sure you're familiar with it, so just sing along and we hope you enjoy.
Amen.
Okay? It's late, so excuse us. So we just
Please, it's very late. I'm like sleepy late. You sleepy girl?
Yeah, my eyelashes falling off. I got to take them off next.
No, we got to do something about that now. Come on.
It's okay. We're going to start with the verse. Yeah,
That's fine. Verse it up.
You gave me my hand to reach out to man, to show them your love and your perfect place. You gave me my hand so I can hear your voice so clear. Hear the cries of sinners, but cannot wipe away their tears. Oh my God, I just can't get up now. Lord, I'm available to you. My will I give to you. I'll do what you say do. Use me, Lord, to show someone your way and enable me to stay. My soul rages empty, and I am available to you.
I'm going to get them tonight.
Oh, okay, I don't think keep going.
Yeah, you're going to keep going.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to keep going, girl.
Amen. Amen.
That was good. You caught right in there. That was good. Change that and drop it down. All right, you two, we out.
All right. Oh, please.
See you, stop.